So many people do this problem in the wrong way. Let's see how. What they do, they just do 2 times 5 is 10, and then it will be 20 divided by 10 upon 2. Then it will become 20 divided by 10 is 2 upon 2, and 2 upon 2 is 1. And they got the answer 1, which is totally wrong. What we have to do, we have to follow the order of operations, that is PEMDAS. PEMDAS is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, where multiplication and division are in the same team and addition and subtraction are in the same team. Multiplication and division, if comes in the same equation, then we have to solve them from left to right. Okay, so in the above equation we have 20 divided by 2 times 5 upon 10 upon 2. So according to PEMDAS, we will solve this first. So it will become 20 divided by 2 is 10 times 5 upon 2. So it will become 10 times 5 is 50 upon 2 is 25. So by using PEMDAS, we will get 25 as the correct answer. So 25 is the correct answer. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.